I'm going to review the best metal lathe in the market for this year. All over this video, our focus will be on finding the best of the best product. And from a list of the best products available in the current market, we have picked these products as the most spectacular. We are certain you won't be disappointed after watching this video. In selecting these products, there are various factors which we should take into consideration. As a result of the hard work and time invested in the selection of these products, we can assure you of a stress-free process whenever you decide to make a purchase of your desired product. These include reviews from our customers like you on various sites, performance, and specifications of each product. We have gone an extra mile to ensure you don't get confused when making your purchase. To get other information on each product, the video description includes embedded links which you can open. Please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications when we post a new video in the future. At number 1, Grizzly G8688 Mini Metal Lathe. It looks small, but do not underestimate the capacity of this powerful machine, as you will be amazingly shocked at what you are capable of accomplishing with it. Powered by a 3/4 HP motor, this metal lathe features a swing-over bed up to 7 inches and over 12-inch distance between the centers, 2.5 inches tailstock travel, and a spindle bore that is 20 millimeters in size. It comes with changing speed from 0 to 1100 RPM in the low range and 0 to 2500 RPM for a high range, and it can go forward and backward in all speeds. In addition, it also includes a dial indicator and hand wheel graduations. It is simply standard in every way. At number 2, Eerie Tools 7x14 Precision Bench Milling Lathe. If you are looking for an easy-to-read and high-precision digital metal lathe that lets you cut, drill, or turn woods, plastic, and metal parts while enjoying an adjustable speed that also allows for left-hand threads, then this portable lathe is the only one you should be thinking of. It comes with a jaw chuck that holds your work tightly while you work and a thread indicator that lets you turn the screw from a low capacity to a higher one, making it suitable for all your works. At number 3, Best Equipped Maintenance-Free Metal Lathe. This durable machine is specifically designed for professionals who desire a machine that gives them great accuracy while offering other features such as wear resistance and even more accurate rotation. The distance between the centers is up to 400 millimeters, and its swing-over bed is 8.25. It is engineered to perform different functions on woods, metals, and jade. Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section. And hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in the future.